Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem that many Python programmers face: how to convert a float nan, not a number, value to an integer. If you've worked with numerical data in Python, you might have encountered this issue before. In this video, we'll explore why this is a challenge and provide a clear explanation of the steps involved in converting a float nan to an integer. Nan values can arise from various mathematical operations, such as division by zero, or taking the square root of a negative number. When working with data, it's essential to handle these special values correctly to avoid errors or unexpected behavior. In this video, we'll break down the process into simple steps, providing examples and analogies to help you understand the concepts better. So, let's dive in. The first step is to understand what a nan value represents. Think of it as a special flag that indicates an invalid or unreliable result from a mathematical operation. When you encounter a nan value, you need to decide how to handle it based on your specific use case. One common approach is to replace the nan value with a sentinel value, such as 0 or a specific integer. This can be done using various methods, including simple assignment or more sophisticated techniques like interpolation. Another essential concept to grasp is the difference between explicit and implicit conversion. Explicit conversion involves explicitly casting a float value to an integer using functions like int or round. Implicit conversion occurs when Python automatically converts a float to an integer in certain contexts, such as during arithmetic operation. When converting a float nan to an integer, you'll typically use explicit conversion methods. However, it's crucial to consider the potential loss of information and precision that can occur during this process. Let's illustrate this with an example. Suppose you have a dataset containing floating point numbers, including some nan values. If you convert these values to integers using int without handling the nans explicitly, you might end up with unexpected results or errors. To summarize, when converting a float nan to an integer in Python, understand what nan values represent and how they arise. Decide on a strategy for handling nan values based on your use case. Use explicit conversion methods like int or round. Consider the potential loss of information and precision during conversion. That's it for today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to convert float nan to int in Python. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on programming and data science topics. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.